Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my shop. Alright, welcome. Today, I finally found that round to it. Been hunting for it for quite a while now. So I'm going to get on this 49 Chevrolet and replace them windshields. I believe I'll start this segment off by showing how to get those old windshield out. So stay tuned and let's get busy. I'm going to use this handy tool and I'm going to pop these windshield wipers off. Now what you want to do is get behind it and pry up while you're lifting up on the arm side here. And I'm going to get this one done and I'll show you a close-up of the other one. Alright. Once you get them off, they'll pop right off. See if we can get a close-up of that. And it'll come right off. As you can see, there it's got ridges there, and as far as this goes, you got a clip there. All right. Now I'm on the inside. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips heads to remove. That'll remove the outside stainless steel piece, and it'll remove this inner trim piece also. Then all these trim pieces around the side, get that up out of the way, all the way around, and that'll remove those trim pieces. So let's get that done. Now to remove these trim pieces. That went on the inside like that. Okay, there's one. This is an encouraging sign right here. It was wet, water had run through here, down and gotten into the floor, and there's no holes on this side, so that's good. When I did my 49 GMC, I had holes there. So all right, we've got all the inside trim out now, so now we can go focus on the outside. All right, the stainless steel piece here should come off now. I may have to pry it. Let's see. Well, it's not taking much. There we go. All right, the outside and inside trim pieces are all out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a razor like this, and I'm going to cut up into the gasket around so I can get the possibly push the windshield out. I'm gonna also cut along the top too. This isn't deep enough. Let's see if I got a deeper one. There. I have a feeling it's going to break. There we go. Yep, I'm going to need to do a little bit of repair here on the pinch weld. Just like the 49 GMC, you can see where it's rusted through. I don't know why the exact same corner the 49 GMC did leaked also. All right, now on to the other side. Huh. Much easier. Just make sure you have a long enough blade. This side, the driver's side, is not as bad. Matter of fact, there's nothing wrong with the driver's side. It's just the passenger side, and I ain't figured that out yet. I believe I could just use JB Weld to patch that up, but we'll take a closer look at it here momentarily. But we're going to clean up all these pinch welds. I'm going to use a wire wheel to clean this up. You get the idea. I'm gonna clean it all up and I'll show you what it looks like cleaned up. Oddly enough, the only sealer I found is right here and right here, and I haven't found evidence of any other sealer. Of course, you can't see with the headliner in there, but even on the outside, that's it. So I'm gonna scrape some of that off here on the inside. All right, you're probably going to hear my fan running. It's a hot, muggy day, so hopefully you can hear me good. Anyway, here's some of the rust spots, and there's some right there. This is on the right side or passenger side lower corner, but the rest of the pinch weld channel looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix me up some JB Weld, and that's how I'm going to patch that. That's what I did. I had to actually weld in a pinch weld from here to here on my GMC. Then I used JB Weld to blend it all in. Now it's funny, from here to here it's not bad. It's just this lower corner. Go over here to the driver's side or left side, and it's although it didn't work all the way through, it's actually rougher all the way up to this point. So anyway, and like I said, other than those two spots over there, I found no evidence of any kind of sealer. Now when I put the gasket and windshields in that 49 GMC, I decided not to use any sealer on it, and go back and add it underneath the lip if I needed to. Well, I went through several car washes and a couple rainstorms and it never leaked once. So I'm not going to use any sealer on this either. And like I say, you can go back and work underneath the lip of the gasket and get some sealer in there if you have to at a later date. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tape this up, and I'm going to use some of this stuff right here. Not a sponsor, but it's rust reformer. It gives it'll turn any other surface rust into a paintable surface, and then I might put some flat black on it too, just to for protection. But then again, considering how that's the first time that windshield I pulled off of this truck was the original 49 windshield, and that's the condition of the pinch weld underneath that gasket. And like I say, that was the original gasket and windshield, so it held up pretty good for 70 some years. So anyway, I'm going to tape it up and get it prepared for some rust treatment. All right, that may be fan noise again. But anyway, I've taped it and I've given a coat of that, I've been calling it rust encapsulant, but actually it's called rust reformer, and it'll dry to a flat black. All right, see right now it's kind of glossy, but you can see where it's drying some, where it's looks glossy, but it's turning flat right up here. You see inside. So I turned my fan back on. I had the fan off while I was shooting it. Now that should protect it, but I may give it a coat of flat black enamel anyway before I put the new windshield in. So I'm gonna leave it taped for now and let it dry. And I just realized I didn't have any JB weld, so it looks like I'm at a stopping point. Well, all right, like I said, it looks like I'm at a good stopping point. And it also looks like this is going to be a multi-part deal. So we're going to go ahead and call this how to remove the windshields and prep the pinch welds for new windshield installation. But we'll cover the getting the windshield set in the gaskets and then getting the windshield installed in another episode. So anyway, that round to it's been mighty elusive lately. So just, you know, when you're hitting 90-degree heat and well, all you want to do is cruise, well, it's hard to get back motivated. But so with all that said, hope everything's going good with you and yours. Everything's going good here. Can't complain. Won't do me no good to complain anyway. Just carry on and take care of that business. So have a good one, and I hope to see you around on the next one, which there will be at least a part 2. See. Make